To install and set up CapCut for the first time, open any browser on your computer. Then open the website CapCut.com, click on download for free. After downloading, click right here to open the installer, or go to your downloads folder and open it right from there. It will take a few moments until CapCut is installed and until it has tested if your computer can run CapCut smoothly. In the end, just click on confirm, and after opening CapCut, just close this pop-up window if you don't want to have CapCut Pro right now. Update CapCut if necessary, and then sign in into your CapCut account if you have one, or create a new one if you are new here in CapCut. Since I already have a CapCut account and I'm already logged in my phone, I'm just gonna scan this QR code, so I will automatically log in. Now we are going to make a very important step. Click on create project, close these tabs right here, and then click on modify. Here you will see the frame rate for our timeline. For example, on gaming videos or on any smooth video you want to create, you need 60 frames. For movies or something like this, it is very common to use 24 frames. Just use and save the right frame rate for your future projects. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.